In the world of e-commerce, uniqueness rules over others. The e-commerce industry grows rapidly as everyone wants to open a store online to sell unique products. Even teenagers are also showing interest in startups with setting up a store online. Among the many fields, fashion products and accessories find a huge business. But the competition is strict. You will get a new company every day promoting their online stores. So, a customization option is a needed feature if you want to make your store look different. Not only does it add a unique look, but it also gives your store essential personalized functions for your consumers. There are many e-commerce platforms that allow you to build a store online quickly, including BigCommerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. These platforms have their share of advantages and disadvantages. But BigCommerce is performing well when it comes to offering a customized store to clients. These stores come up with a huge benefit to grab your consumers' attention. The below-mentioned factors describe why you need a custom e-commerce website. Customize your products as per the interest. Your aim of e-store is to meet your consumers' demands. This can only be served by a custom online shop. If you have a store of fashionable dresses, you need some personalized filter options like sizes, colors, and fonts to help buyers. If you copy a template, it will not fulfill your all requirement. Since variables are different, you need some special features to mention them. Remember that a well-structured store serves people in the best way and is successful in retaining consumers' interest. Store for your unique shipping option. These days, most of the business stores offer a variety of products that need different shipping options. Your consumers will be happy to get their favorite name for their order shipments. Only a unique store design consciously will offer such benefits. You can choose the BigCommerce platform for designing a store that can easily be changed as per your requirements. A custom e-store for multiple vendors. You may be working with multiple vendors and everyone has different requirements. So, customize options help them use the best way to ship their products. When you have many vendors, your profit-earning goal also enlarges. If the services are satisfying for your partners, getting success will be easier. A store that offers promo codes and discounts. Discounts and promo codes lure audience the most. With a custom e-commerce store, you can plan unique promo codes on the purchase. In the e-commerce industry, this move has been recognized as an attractive step. When you design a customized store, you can generate as many discounts as your business needs. Integrate your store with backend software support. Backend software is necessary for performing many functions. Integrate the software with the store and easily do some complex works. You may need a software support for tracking your order. So, always opt for a customizable store that allows you to use features of your demands. Different needs of your customers. The requirements of consumers are different. While some want an easy purchase, some love to visit an organized store with products in a right place. As people make a purchase decision after several visits, you have to give priority to their wishes. Need different credit card processors. Pre-built themes do not always process all credit cards. It may disappoint your buyers and can be a reason for leaving your pages without any action. Add different credit card processors so that you can make your customers happy. Security concerns. You have to make your store secure if you want more and more consumers. When the talk is about e-commerce, security issue holds a major importance. You should take a strict step to protect consumers' confidential data and the payment card details. When you opt for a custom e-commerce store, your store will get boosted with such necessary details. Managing inventory is important, and inventory management is a prime concern for all e-commerce companies. When you have a healthy amount of stocks, your company will also run well. To maintain this critical concern, you need to connect vendors with the inventory management system. When your product inventory is running low, the system will generate the order and send it to the vendors automatically. BigCommerce offers you an easy customize option to help your buyers find products and buy them quickly. Visitors can use a filter option to sort products. This e-commerce platform presents a customer-friendly catalog to buyers. It is important to have a customized store for you. It helps you with a better exposure and a better profit option. Choose your platform on which you want to build your store. Do you want to design your online store? Then visit www.kasofttechnologies.com, link in the description. We will help you. Content courtesy, http://ezinearticles.com/9965510. Thank you for watching.